So this is circuit 17, counting in binary. And I think there might be a problem with my chip. As you can see, it's going pretty well now. But yeah, sometimes, as you can see, instead of counting, it does how to explain it. Yeah, you can see sometimes it goes like it did right there. Now it does it. Instead of really counting, it's just blinking the LEDs in like random order. And I'm not quite sure what's happening there. Yeah, I think the chip might be broken.